Hello to all of you dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today I want to do some live trades using the strategy that I introduced in the previous part of the channel in PocketOption broker. Be sure to stay with me. Well, in the previous episode, I introduced the strategy using the Alligator indicator on the channel, which was a very good and profitable strategy. And I also made some live trades with the strategy. Today, in order to make this strategy current, I want to make some trades in PocketOption broker using the strategy. I want you to learn strategy tips well. Before that, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and send it to your friends. The links for registration in brokers are in the description section below all the videos of the channel. Click on the link, get a demo account of $10,000 and start practicing and trading. Alright, let's go to today's video. Well, as I explained in that video, in this strategy, the candle time is set to 15 seconds and the time of trades is fixed to 1 minute. Click on M1. I want to do some compound trades using this strategy. Please look carefully at my trades. But the indicator of this strategy is the Alligator indicator. I have already posted the trading method using this indicator in a video. I will leave the link above for you. We will add Alligator to the chart with the default setting. I will go around and make a few trades. I will give you the necessary explanations on each position. Okay, as you can see, the downtrend our trend has already reacted to these lines. That's why I entered the lower trade. Okay. I entered the lower trade. As you can see, our trend is downtrend. The indicator lines are separated, which means the trend is strong, and a reversal candle on the dynamic level. Well, we had some luck in this trade. The trend was about to reverse. Okay, let's go to the next trade. If you look at this position, the candles crossed our dynamic lines. So, we don't do anything. There is a strong downward trend. The distance between the lines is too much. The trend reversal has already happened several times. That's why I entered the 1 minute sell trade. If you look, a strong upward trend, the distance of the lines from each other. The trend is reversed. An engulfing pattern is also formed here, which makes our trend continue with strength. Okay? As you can see, the downtrend, the trend reversal, and we entered a 1-minute sell trade. Okay? Our candle crossed the alligator line, so we're not doing anything. A strong upward trend. Alligator lines are far from each other. The reversal of the trend has happened from this point. We already had a trend correction. That's why it continues to go strong and probably fills the gap to the next room number level. Very good. A strong upward trend, line spacing, the possibility of continuation of the trend up to the room number level. Reversals have already happened along at these lines. That's why I entered the higher trade. Okay? A strong downward trend, line spacing, and that's why I entered a 1-minute sell trade. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Very well. Dear friends, Don't forget that trading in financial markets is not an easy task at all and is very difficult and requires training, experience, practice, and learning. You should practice each strategy in the demo account for a long time until you have learned the strategy completely. When you have not profited with it in the demo account, do not trade with the strategy in the real account. To trade with strategies, you must learn the tips of the psychology of candles videos. Be sure to watch the previous episodes on the channel and practice the tips that I taught in the videos. Don't forget that you are the one who determines the win rate of each strategy. I want you to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and send it to your friends. There are links to register in brokers in the description section below all the videos. Click on the link, get a demo account of $10,000 and start practicing and trading. My friends, you are the best. Take care of yourself. Until the next video, bye.